Hey friends, it's Cal, and this is our 30-foot Skoolie conversion. My partner and I just spent this past year building out entirely from the ground up. And we're about to take you all the way across the country in it. Guys, I am so excited to have you along for the journey. Why? Because we're about to make our way all the way across the country and back in this. And we've already had a wild start. Before we had even left, we've already broken down, gotten towed, moved into a diesel shop, ran over our car, made it out of that situation, headed south, got 2 new kittens, caught the stomach flu, saw a beaver, made it to Kentucky, explored a cave, and somehow we're here. What state are we in?
Kentucky.
Oh my goodness. Oh, and we finally managed to clean the bugs off our windshield. You're gonna wanna buckle up. It's gonna be a wild ride.
This is our exit.
I wanna clean the windshields tomorrow.
I'm cleaning windshields tonight.
Oh shit. Good job. Dad is gonna scrub all the cicadas off our windshield. He's reached the bug limit. They're coming for him.
Is it any better through the glass?
10 out of 10. Can you tell them about the glow bugs?
So it was like nighttime, twilight, and I started seeing fireflies, and then one of them, while they were lit, smashed into the windshield and stayed lit. So we had glow-in-the-dark bug guts for 50 miles. Yummy, Bobby! Anyone see my phone?
Oh my god.
We're gonna go to Pet Supplies for the shit scoop.
Look at that bus ride.
Walk up back.
Okay.
So make what you want. Okay. Baby.
You want me to just leave it on the counter, or do we not?
That sign just yelled at us and told us we were trespassing.
You are trespassing. This area is under video surveillance.
That was fun. Woo.
I see a pizza. Get.
Something silly.
Hellos.
Guys, it looks like we have quite a bit of. We did it. We parked. I might be wrong, but it looks like we have a little bit more driving left to do. It means so much to me getting to share this little journey with you. I think tomorrow we have something really fun planned. Are you ready for the thing? Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did, you could totally like this video. You could leave a little comment down below letting me know if you enjoyed this drive we just took together. And then lastly, I'm gonna ask that you subscribe. That way you know you're always ready for the next adventure. And on that note, I will see you guys down the road. Bye. What state are we in? I don't know, we're in Kentucky.
Kentucky.
All is good. And